kind of facial cleansing brush can improve your skin? We can tell you. Kingdo Ultrasonic Absorption Facial Cleansing Brush, a specific absorption nanopolish material and ultrasonic cleansing technology and active double cleanliness. Want to maintain skin balance? First, we need to see where the problem is. Is it due to dull skin, oily acne, and enlarged pores caused by frequently staying up late? Or clogged pores caused by improper cleaning? You need an ultrasonic absorption facial cleansing brush to improve these skin problems. First, it can achieve effective cleansing, meanwhile protect the skin barrier. Its bristles are made of a specific absorption nanoporous material, and each absorption cleansing head contains at least 4 million nanoabsorption vectors. Can absorb the dirt, excess oil, and makeup residue in the pores. Secondly, the R-shaped bristles will not go deep into your pores, so you don't need to worry about whether they will harm your skin barrier. There's also the magnetic traction. You can assemble and disassemble in less than 1 second. It's so easy. There's 3 modes and you can choose which ones you like by just pressing this button very easily. If you press once, you get the gentle cleansing mode. If you press twice, you get the deep cleansing mode. And for the third time, you get the flashing cleansing mode. The brush head comes with this cover, so you can easily use it for carry-on, and the device is waterproof, so you don't need to worry about water coming in. You can use it in a bathtub. It's very convenient. The device has a large capacity battery, and you can charge here with Type-C USB fast charging. If you charge it for about 1 hour, you can use it for about 90 days. So it's amazing.